Learning through games makes studying more fun and engaging, which increases motivation. It also helps children remember information better by connecting knowledge with enjoyable experiences. Start game. Choose color. Then enjoy and exercise. Press start. Great job. Awesome. The best thing is that it shows you the mistakes at the end of the game, so you can know them and avoid repeating them. Thank you, and goodbye.